Hello and welcome to Founding Core Plays Factorio Seablock. In this episode, we're going to try to amp up our production of oil, but mainly because I want to get rid of the sulfuric wastewater. So, got myself somewhat of a blueprint set up. And I did the math. And I'm hoping it's 100% correct. But using an assembling machine Mark technically 2, well, it is a 2, whatever. Anyway, this requires 10 blue algae every 4 seconds, because it's a crafting speed of 0.75. So these produce 40 every 13.33 because it's a crafting speed of 1.5. So basically these produce 3 per second. So these only need 10 every 4 seconds. So these produce a total of 12 every 4 seconds. So one of these will support this with 2 blue algae left over. So if you do the math, 2 left over from each machine of 5 would equal 10, which gives you basically another assembling machine Mark II. So basically it's a 5 to 6 ratio. 1 for each machine and 1 extra from the 2 remainder from each. So now I'm just trying to figure out what's going to be the best way to do this when it comes to placement. Because each machine will support 1 assembling machine. So one algae farm will support each one. So let's say I have this for this, then the 2 remainder gets pushed, then this one for this one, this for this, and then I could go 1 more over. But I kind of don't want to do that. I kind of want to get this to where it's symmetrical, basically. So that's what I'm trying to do, is get it symmetrical. And that's been kind of my issue. I mean, I could just line them up all right here. And just have them all down here and let it all come down right here. Let's see what it would look like power-wise. Alright, so our inserters, I'm trying to remember where you go at. I don't need tips and tricks. Bonuses, here we go. So our inserter capacity is 3 per second. So 1 inserter ought to be enough to keep this running. Which then, obviously determines our placement on inserters. So it's probably best looking like that. I mean, this sucks that it's like that. I'll do 4. That'll make it even on that. Alright. Oh, nope, didn't mean to do that. And there we go. I think that's it for those. There, that should be all of them working now. Now, this is going to be putting out 5 every 4 seconds. And I kind of want this to be on both sides of the... I guess it doesn't really matter. I mean, it doesn't really matter. Yeah, I guess it really doesn't matter. Oh, do I have one for blue algae? I do. I have that. This was just the longer version. So I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete that because, I mean, that's just really nothing. And then I'm going to make a copy of this. And then an assembling machine of that. Alright. There we go. So this is going to be basically the ratio from now on. Might have to bump it up just a little bit, just to speed the process up a little bit faster. Just to clean it out. Oh, come on. I was going to say, there's no way this could already be backed up. See, what I should do is spread this apart to where these can be put on both sides of the belt. What I would do is I'd put... that would be tricky. Never mind. That would be a tricky one. Well, doesn't matter. How is this still... Like, that doesn't make any sense. I mean, these are making them as fast as... Oh, maybe the insert. That would be the way. I was going to say there's... There we go. And I just realized, like, these need to be all the way back here, so... There. Alright, so I'm trying to get this to where it'll be a little bit better. Maybe pushing it to a red belt would probably be better on that. I mean, I'm not trying to get it to where it's consistently running on this. I'm just trying to clean out, get all the backlog out. And then once the backlog's out, there. Now, my problem right now is literally iron. Iron is the issue. Okay, now this doesn't make any sense. Why is it backing up? Yeah, it shouldn't be backing up. This doesn't make any sense. Each one produces 40. If it's 20 seconds at a crafting speed of 1, and it's 1.5, that means it creates 40 every 13.33 seconds. Alright, so now you divide 40 blue algae by 13.33 seconds, it comes up to 3.00075.01875. So even still, it should not be backing up this much, even with that low of a decimal point. I mean, look at this. There's 168 in this one. It makes no sense. Because this one's should be being put on both sides. And they all have access to both sides of the belt. I'm going to try something else. I have an idea. We'll see if it works. Let me scoot this over one. You want basically my thought process is this. So obviously I need to get rid of some of this backlog. We're going to see what works. One thing's for sure, is I am going to speed up this belt. Oh shit, now why is this backed up? Oh my god. Oil and gas separate. Maybe I didn't even think about that. So if it's producing 5 every 4 seconds, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 every 4 seconds, this needs This needs 20 every 5 seconds. 20 every 5, 30 every 4. So if I'm producing 30 every 4 seconds, that means I'm producing 7.5 per second. So every 5 seconds, I'm producing 37.5. Which means this ought to be more than enough to keep up. I'm not backed up on anything. Because this needs 40 every 5 seconds between the both of them. 20 here, 20 there. But I'm only producing 37.5. So I don't understand it. How did I pick up 200? Holy crap, how did I get that many? This still doesn't make any sense. Well, okay, these are producing faster. I mean, it's producing 5 every 2.4 seconds. But even still, all this shouldn't be holding this up, but it is. Like, is there something I'm missing here? I don't understand. Someone tell me, like, what am I doing wrong? Because apparently these are going, like, they're producing faster than what it's showing. Because look at this. I'm gonna try something. Try something else. Bit unorthodox, but I'm gonna try it. Oh my god, this is all backed up. Why is it backed up? Oh my god. What? What is going on? Why am I backed up on oil? Backed up on raw gas. Raw gas is backed up because of NGL. And GL's backed up because of methane. No freaking way that I'm backed up on methane. This is methanol. Here's methane into methanol. Okay, here's methanol into propene. Propene is making liquid plastic. So we're backed up on plastic. Okay. I guess we'll put it on both sides of the belt. There we go. Get plastic on both sides of the belt. That'll start burning up that propene. And naphtha's backed up on solid fuel. This is blowing my mind. Like, what is going... Look at this. Look at this. What is going... I guess I'm producing so much oil, it's not even funny. So if that's the case, we're going to cut this back by 2. And then I'll do that so that this is trying to burn. Basically, I don't want to back up on solid fuel. I want it to keep pumping. And I'm still increasing. Alright, I'm going to go back another 2. Okay, there's that. So this shouldn't be backed up at all. Oh my god, we're almost out of sulfuric wastewater. Holy... That is bananas. That's awesome in a way, but scary at the same time. Okay, I'm gonna have to speed this up. This is not good. Okay, so just give me this one. We'll bump it up to Mark II and see where that takes us. Because apparently a Mark I is not good enough. Like, having 2 of them is not even good enough. So we'll just bump it up to... I don't know why carbon dioxide's right here, but whatever. Oh, because it's outputting it. Okay. Are we good on everything else? So this went from, what, a crafting speed of 1 to a 1.5. So now we're literally 100% faster now. 50% faster on each one, but that's a total overall of 100%. And I have no more of these, so it's not like I can speed them up. Okay, so inserter speed is what's slow now. So let's go grab some inserters. I'm going to keep working on this, and then in the next video, we'll start working on trying to get more iron being produced. Even if that means taking apart our whole system up there. So if you enjoyed watching, please leave a like, subscribe, comment. And I will see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.